As her big sister, I've been blessed to know Sarah her whole life. I've watched her grow and blossom into the incredible woman she is today. She is a role model in the way she carries herself through life in relationships with honesty, passion, and grace. I met Kurtis when him and Sarah dated the first time back in their high school days. What always stood out to me about Kurtis was his genuine kindness and compassion. You amplify Sarah's greatness, and you complement one another so well. I've witnessed the love you share with one another, a love that is so deep, selfless, and unconditional.
Sarah, you are in for an exciting journey. Kurtis can be a handful. He's stubborn. He always believes he's right, which he calls debating. And he has a knack for picking up hobbies quicker than I can change my socks. But you know what? He's also fiercely loyal. He'll always have your back. He'll make sure life is an adventure. So here's the tips to Sarah for taking on the challenge, and for Kurtis, embarking on this next great hobby called marriage. May it be your best one yet.
Whoa. Holy smoke, babe. This looks so good. I, Kurtis, take you, Sarah, to be my wife. Promise before God and these faithful witnesses
to be your loving and faithful wife, to share with you in prosperity and need,
in joy and sorrow, in sickness and in health,
to forgive and strengthen you, and join with you,
so that together we may serve God and others, as long as we both shall live.
It is my privilege and great honor to present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Kurtis Parsons.
Sarah, you have spent countless hours planning this day. It's beautiful. Weather turned out fantastic. Food is wonderful. We're going to enjoy a wonderful meal and have a great evening. And I would say your dreams have come true.
I love you both so much, and I wish you a lifetime of joy and fulfillment together.
May your journey together be filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. May you always find joy in each other's company. But keep God at the center, and He will help you through life's many twists and turns.